Hi all, this is my first published screencast. I hope it will be useful and beneficial for all of you. On this assignment, I'm going to show you what I have learned in week 3 on this course and how to apply this in a course. Let's start with some activities in teaching and learning context. I have created this screencast using Screencast-O-Matic. It's a free screen recorder. The first activity today I'm going to show you is how to make a quiz on Mentimeter. As you know this site, here I have created a presentation. It's a quiz so students can receive it. As you see, let's download it. Yeah, here that's the quiz. Okay, so students are going to find this and they will receive a code. As you can see, I can share it on any website or email or WhatsApp, whatever the website. So that's the question, and they're going to choose in a limited time, as you see. Okay, I can determine the time. Okay, and then they're going to see the correct answer. Okay, that's about how to make a quiz. The activity number 2, it's about a Twitter poll. So here I can show you how it is done. So here I have created a question, okay, and I'm going to share or embed this link on any website or blog. So here that's the question, and here are the two choices. To make it, it's very easy. You're going to write the question here, then choose this and write choice 1 and choice 2. Okay, then share it, and that's easy. Okay, that's about number 2. And number 3 activity, it's about the badges. Okay, badges are very interesting for students to motivate and encourage them. So here I have created a badge, okay, and a certificate. So the badge here, students can receive it. Okay, I can create a group, okay, and then students can receive this, okay, on email or as a link. Okay, so that's the badge, okay, and they're going to receive it. It's very interesting. Okay, and here that's the badge. Number 4, you can use rubrics to write how to judge a work or how students peer assessment for each other. I hope this presentation is helpful for you, and thank you for your time.